Hey you all, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a series on what's on my nails. So every time I do my nails, I'm gonna let y'all see what I did. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram, and you can follow my nail page and my press on page. Okay, so let's get into it. So I be doing a lot of different stuff. So I do my own nails, so let's see, we're gonna start with the real simple. So I'm like, this time I did two different hand designs, just because I'm right-handed, so it was hard to do the designs on my left. So we're gonna start, let's see, I'm gonna give you a quick glance of them and then we'll get back to it. So this is the first hand. Hopefully it's focusing. Okay, so to get it to better show up, I turned off the light, and hopefully it helps a little bit. Okay, so I have the two turquoise nails, and I have like French tip nails on this. This has like a trim of bling to it. Yeah, it has a trim of bling to it. And then these two are like gel polishes, just because the designs are gel polished. I wanted to keep that color. So yeah, these are like real simple. I'm going for more of like the 90s theme or whatever. So when you get to this hand, honey, this is it right here. I don't know why this hand shows up so good. Oh, there we go. These are so pretty. Look, I did them. But so this is more the 90s theme. You know, back in the day when the Asians or Vietnamese used to do the little freehand designs. So I was like, let me go with that kind of theme and just combine colors. So it's kind of like this, the thumb is supposed to match this hand. It's so weird. So these two are supposed to match, and then this one is just like a variation of like these two designs, these four designs. Let me get it together. But this, okay, pointer and pinky, those are similar designs. And then I said the thumb and the middle finger are similar designs. And then when I did the ring finger, I just did like a combination of combining like all the colors and all the themes and just did a design. You can see it has some bling on it also. And most of the time I use like the AB crystals, which are the very like iridescent and like rainbowish crystals. But back in the day, they didn't have those. They just had like the regular like clear bling. So I'm like, honestly, these aren't my favorite bling, but they actually came out really good with like the set. And like I said, like I was like, okay, I did these with gel polish. So I was like, well, I want to bring back those colors. But you know, French tips used to be like 90s. So I was like, okay, let me do the French tips. But I'm going to put a twist on it by adding like the bling around it. And then like a pop of color. So yeah, these are like kind of like my 90s inspired like set of nails. And I'm going to insert more photos because I'm like, I took in photos and took in videos of them just so I can post them whatever, like on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow my nail page to see like how they fully came out. And I might put some process photos too up because I have like some reels for Instagram. And yes, and if you want to purchase some press-ons, I'm going to link that below too. Thanks for watching.